Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to fix error code 12. An error occurred while unpacking does not match checksum. All right, let's begin. First, open a web browser on your PC and click on the search bar. Type Visual C Redistributable runtimes all in one and press enter. From the search results, open the official GitHub link. Once the page loads, locate the latest release section and click on the link. Next, download the correct file based on your system type, either x64 or x86. Wait for the download to complete. Then open the downloaded file to begin installation. Follow the on-screen instructions carefully and complete the setup process. This will install the required runtime components that are often missing or corrupted. After installation is finished, restart your computer to apply the changes properly. So that's basically how you can fix this error. That's it for this video. Thanks.